Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the iBUYPOWER SlateMesh 8 gaming PC. You can get this product on Amazon for about $1,700. Check out the link in the description. The PC arrives completely assembled and very well packaged, so you just have to remove all the packaging and you can use it right away. The case doesn't have any screws, so you can easily open it without using tools. You just have to be careful with the tempered glass. My first impression is very positive. Everything looks really nice and it seems like the PC is very well assembled. The cable management looks really neat and you can easily add additional hardware. The PC came with a quick start guide and some additional information, a power cable, an SATA cable, and a Wi-Fi antenna. Usually I don't buy any pre-built PCs and I rather build my own PC, but I needed to upgrade my system and I saw this PC at a good price with a lot of good reviews, so I decided to give it a try. After removing the packaging, I just have to remove a few stickers and then I can use the PC. If you want to use Wi-Fi to connect your computer to the internet, you need to attach the included Wi-Fi antenna. After turning on the PC for the very first time, I was a little concerned about the fan noises. They sounded like they were running on full speed all the time. But that was actually a very easy fix. If you want to know more about this, leave me a comment below. With the free MSI Center software, you can easily change or turn off the LED lights. There are a lot of different settings for the lights, and they look really cool. The PC also includes a gaming keyboard and mouse set. The keyboard and mouse set is also available separately on Amazon. Check out the link in the description. I really like this set, especially the keyboard. The mouse and keyboard have different LED settings, and it's really easy to change them. I tested the gaming PC for about 2 months, and I think it's a great product. I use it a lot for work and for gaming, and it's a very reliable computer. I contacted the customer support a few times with different questions, and they were always very helpful and replied quickly. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good quality pre-built gaming computer with a great customer service, I would recommend the iBUYPOWER SlateMesh 8 gaming PC. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.